create a recording, once you're logged in, you're going to select the live stream button. This will bring up your cameras. Select your camera, and it will bring up the camera page. Click the word camera in the bottom left corner of the player to bring up your tools. From there, you can adjust the camera and have it set up the way you would like for your recording. Then select Schedule Recording. This will bring up the scheduler. The recording title will be the title of all recordings created by this schedule. The descriptive information is searchable metadata. Next, you're going to need to set the start date and time. So setting the date and time which this recording is going to begin, and then next the duration, how long we'd like it to record. It could be up to 2 hours. In the repeat drop-down menu, if you select once, this schedule will only execute one time. Selecting daily will execute this recording every day of the week, including the weekends. Weekdays will execute this recording Monday through Friday. Weekly will execute this schedule once a week. This video was scheduled for a Wednesday, therefore it's going to repeat every Wednesday. Once your schedule is set, click Schedule Recording, and your camera will record at the given time. To make changes or edits to your schedule, we're going to go back to the dashboard, selecting Dashboard from the primary menu, and then select the NDVR. On the NDVR page, scroll down, and the last pane will be My Schedule. Here you will see any current recordings or up to 5 of your upcoming recordings. Clicking on the text will allow you to go to the information page. Here you can delete or edit the recording. Clicking Edit will bring up the scheduler page. Here we can make changes. So if I want to change it from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m., I can change it, submit the changes, and then the new schedule will start at 9 a.m. from this point forward. If I no longer want this recording to repeat, I just select Delete, and that schedule will be deleted and will not record from this point forward. When editing a schedule, you see at the top left there is a List All. This will allow us to see all completed recordings and any scheduled recording in the future that did not show up on our pane. Starting back at the dashboard, we can also do a quick recording. We're going to select Live Streams again, and then our camera page. On the camera page, you can see a Record button. Clicking this button will start a recording. It will record for up to 2 hours, or until you click Stop Recording.